Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Programmable money should terrify you, Laya Halpern. The comments come as Laya Halpern believes CBDCs will give rise to government-enforced censorship which will prevent residents from transacting how they wish. Government-controlled programmable money should terrify you, says social media influencer and TV host Laya Halpern, who sees central bank digital currencies or CBDCs as a way for banks and governments to regain control over their people. In an interview on August 19 with British news outlet GB News, Halpern, who also released Undressing Bitcoin, a revealing guide to the world's most revolutionary asset in September 2021, said the widespread rollout of central bank digital currency CBDs from many national states on its way, and that it could lead to the financial censorship of citizens in the future. Halpern stated that CBDs are essentially programmable cryptocurrencies that run on blockchain. They could potentially be programmed against you at the whims of centralized authority behind them. If for whatever reason you say the wrong thing because you know we're seeing a censorship increasing, then that money can easily be programmed to be used against you. Halpern added that while a lot of people might find this concept to be quite bizarre, it's very realistic given that restrictions that were enforced on unvaccinated people by governments. With a CBDC, all the government have to do really is program that money so you can spend it on certain things. Halpern also said that while CBDCs will be marketed as better for the environment and serve as a solution to rising inflation rates, that's simply a lie. Following up on the interview via a Twitter post, Halpern didn't mince her words as she stated that the central bank digital currencies will be marketed as better for the environment and the solution to inflation is a lie. Money is the energy that fuels your life, so programmable money should terrify you. Notably, however, such concerns around financial censorship have been especially prevalent with crypto in general of late, with the recent tornado cash debate which saw the US Treasury sanction ETH and USDC addresses associated with the Ethereum-based privacy tool. According to an October 2021 report, 110 countries are at some stage of CBDC development, with the Bahamas Sand Dollar CBDC being the first of its kind to be rolled out in October 2020. But perhaps the most controversial CBDC is China's yuan, issued by the People's Bank of China, which had its pilot version launched in April 2020, with some suggesting the ban of crypto was conducted to make way for the digital yuan. The Bank of Russia has also begun CBDC testing and is aiming to have one launched before their presidential election in 2024. But despite much criticism, CBDCs may offer developing nations more macroeconomic stability in comparison to decentralized currencies, according to IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva. CBDCs would have the backing of states and would of course be regulatory compliant. Maybe guess that from me. Thank you. Bye.